If you are find result very much fast, then you can use PPC advertising also. PPC advertising is giving you a proper result on your proper keyword. You may wondering why should I pay for the ads when I am already working to improve my site's SEO. Though search engine optimization is important, it takes a long time to start working its magic. This is the main difference. SEO takes a long time to start working. Okay, that's where PPC ads come in handy. PPC ads can help you see results more quickly by putting your site on the top of the search engine results page for relevant search terms. If you want promote your website so fast, if you want your product very fast in short time, then you can use PPC advertising. By appearing on the first page of search engine results, your business gains new visibility and searchers are more likely to find and click on your sites. This is, you can say, I write baseball equipment in results pages. Then you can see baseball equipment quality gear from the top branch, and you can see here a PPC ads. A small bracket you can see in green color is writing in ad ad. Baswell Equipment eastbay.com. It's also a paid ad, PPC ads. Third one is also PPC ad, Baswell Equipment Sale, discount price. This website is EPIC, epicsports.com. It's also a paid PPC ad. And the fourth one is Boswell Equipment and Gears, Dick's Sporting Goods. It's a SEO organic ranking. It's your SEO results. PPC ads not only generate more traffic to your site, but they can help you ensure that the leads you are getting are qualified. Those who are clicking your PPC ads are consumers who are searching for the topic that are most relevant to your product or service. This means that they are more likely to be interested in your brand and the product or service that you provide. Email marketing is also a very much important or helpful to promote your product, your website, your services on your target audience. Email marketing is yet another piece of the puzzle. That is how digital marketing works. Campaigns can use branded emails to communicate with their target audience. Marketing emails are often used as a way to increase brand awareness, establish industry, leadership promotes events, and get the word out about special promotion. The content of your marketing emails will ultimately depend on your campaign goals. I earlier told all of you, the content is very much important role playing in your digital marketing and increasing your sales and revenue. And converting or generating the leads also depend upon the contents. Here are just a few examples of the types of email marketing content you might develop to support your digital marketing campaigns. Send a welcome email when new users subscribe to your marketing email list, letting them know what they can expect to see from your brand emails. Deliver promotional content about upcoming sales and discount straight to the consumer inbox. Develop a newsletter that goes out to subscribe periodically to deliver the latest contents and company updates from your business. Email leads after they have downloaded content from your site to thank them for their interest and even recommended additional relevant content pieces. Suggest additional product or content asset that your leads and customers may be increased based on their browsing and buying behavior. You can always timely send the promotional mailer to your buyer, or any offer, any discounted offer, any attracting service offer. You also send your awareness mail to your buyer, your target customer, target clients, to increase your business, increase your leads. Marketing emails can also be used as part of your customer retention campaigns. In fact, according to eMarketer, 80% of retail professionals report the email marketing is one of the best tactics for driving customer retention. Your daily updation, your daily alertness of email, also your customer retention. What are the backlinks? This is the very important. Backlinks is to sharing your website to the another, your website link to other website, your pages to other pages. You can see backlink, also known as inbound links. Incoming links or one-way links are linking from one website to a page on another website. Google and other major search engines consider backlinks words for a specific page. Pages with a high number of backlinks tend to have high organic search engine ranking. If your websites are linking with other websites, or you can share your website to other uh, websites links. You can also promote your website domain to other platforms, social media platforms, or you can blogspot, other blogger. You can daily put day by day your website links to the various platform. It's also make your backlinks. Why are backlinks important? Backlinks are basically words from other websites. Each of these websites tells search engines, because if you want to promote your website, or if you want to show or increase your website results, the backlinks is also a very much important tool to promote your websites, or helpful for increasing your website ranking, website search on the search engines. So the more of these words you have, the higher your site will rank in Google and other search engines. This figure you can see Google, and Google, one website is SEO and are searching on top on Google, and another is very much not popular. So the backlinks helps to promote your websites on Google results. So this is our digital marketing informations, how you can do your digital marketing yourselves and increase your sales. So first of all, you need a good website with good content marketing. Good keywords are input in your website. Proper suitable domain you can buy for promoting your website, because your target clients always search in Google or another search engines bar. They don't know what is your website domain, what is your website. They also search its related product, what they want, what they want to buy. So make your website with good content writing, good keywords inputs, good and valuable domain you buy for your website. Thanks all of you to join us. For more queries, you can write us on email. ID is our info@tradeexplorer.com. If you have any query, if you want to learn something more, if you want to know more, you can write us at our email ID info@tradeexporters.com. Thanks all of you. Bye bye and good day.